the first question that was always typed into Katherine AI was, who are you and what do I do? And so what I began to understand is if you don't have a previous experience with a coach, you may not actually know how to interact with an AI coach. So maybe we need to take a step back and first understand, how is a coach helpful to you and how is a coach different than Google? Well, Google is just a search. It gives us an output and we're done. A coach is interactive. It will get to know you as I would, ask you questions. How can I move you further along your journey? That's the difference between Google or a chatbot where I'm asking a question and an interaction with an AI coach who really is there to be your cheerleader, as I was talking about earlier with even losing weight, but it will also do the same for your business. So Katherine AI, I'm having trouble thinking of some social media posts for my window cleaning business today.